me tell you the story of the little boy Jack. Do you know Jack was the intelligent boy who did what nobody thought he could do. Let's go into the story. Once there were two boys, Jack and Jim, who lived in the village near Golden Town. Jack was 6 years old while Jim was 10. They were very close friends and spent most of their time together. One day, they planned to go outside of the village. As an adventure, they went little too far away from the village. Along with them, they took kite and the ball to play. And while they were running around and exploring, unfortunately, Jim fell into a well. He started screaming, help me, because he did not know how to swim and thought he could drown and die. Jack was searching for Jim, and after the minute, he heard Jim's voice inside the well. Jack panicked and looked around for help, but there was no one to help them because they were inside the forest and they did not inform the parents that they are going outside of the village. Then suddenly he saw a bucket tied with the rope lying nearby. Without wasting any time, Jack threw the bucket into the well and asked Jim to hold it tightly. The moment Jim held the bucket, Jack started pulling up the rope. He kept pulling till Jim was out of the well. They were very happy and cheering each other and ran quickly towards their home. When they told their families and the villagers about the event, nobody believed them because Jack was too young and weak to even lift a bucket full of water. Hence, nobody believed he could have pulled out Jim from the well. But only the Uncle Peter believed them. Uncle Peter was an old and experienced man whom the villager took seriously. So, people asked him, how could this be possible? Uncle Peter laughed and said, what is there to explain? The boy is already telling you how he did it. He threw the bucket inside the well and pulled the rope to save his friend. What is strange here is, how did he manage to gather so much strength? This was because at the time there was nobody to tell him that he could not do it. Even he himself was not in the position to think so. He added, the only one who can empower you is yourself. In fact, you can do it if you think you can. The villagers realized that how important it is to believe in yourself. Yes, now the story is over. Now it is time for question. Children, tell me what is the moral of the story? Yes, if you got it, put it in the comment box.